Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I want to do today is show you all how to have your bakery pro forma financial projections done quickly and easily. And so in order to do that, I am going to show you all how to use my bakery business plan template. In the bakery business plan template comes with a Word document which explains, which allows you to go ahead and actually do your business plan, change information in my business plan template with your information, so you can go ahead and update the Word document with your information. It also comes with a basic financial model that's customized for the bakery industry. So for this video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to walk you through how to use my pro forma financial model that's customized in the bakery industry. I'm going to show you how to use that in order to get your financial projections. All right, so the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to go ahead and walk through my customized bakery pro forma financial projection model. I'm going to show you how to use it when information needs to be changed, and then once you're done with it, how to plug it into the Word document to have a complete bakery business plan completed with your pro forma financial projections for the bakery. All right, a little bit of a mouthful, but let's go ahead and zip through this little tutorial that I've got concocted for your listening and viewing pleasure. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA doctoral candidate, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer. I'm also a professional strategic planner. I do provide mentoring services to startup businesses as well as established businesses. And I am a financial projection professional as well. So if y'all do need some help writing a business plan, custom business plan, I do that. If y'all need some mentoring, whether it be for starting up your business, expanding your business, or even finishing off business plans, I do that for you as well. And I also, if you just need financial projections done, your business plan is good to go, but you need the financial projections, I can do that aspect as well. Feel free to reach out. My contact information is here. I am also an author. I've got several books published on Amazon.com, as well as about 6,600 followers on YouTube as well. So I've got a little bit of experience with the marketing segment. And then finally, for academics, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I do have some education backing up my thoughts and ideas for my template. All right, so with that said, infomercial is done. Once you do buy my bakery business plan template, it comes with, like I said, the Word document, which is explained in a different tutorial, and it also comes with this basic financial model here. So and at the end of the video, I'll give you all the link as to where you can go ahead and purchase the bakery business plan template if you're interested. So once you go ahead and purchase the financial model, with the bakery business plan template, you'll download the Word document and the Excel file. Once you open up the Excel file, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see an information page. This is where you're going to change the information to update your, to make it your own, to customize with your thoughts and ideas. The projections tab, this is a summary of the information for your revenues, your cost, your net profits, your profit margin, advertising, working capital, and this nice little chart right here you can use. And this is your pro forma profit and loss for the next 12 months, broken up monthly. It's broken into quarter 1, month 1 through 3, quarter 2, month 4 through 6, quarter 3, 7 through 9, and then quarter 4, 10 through 12. And then on the income statement tab, this is your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. So any information that you update on the information tab will automatically update the projection tab, the profit and loss tab, and the income statement tab. So on this tab right here, I do have this broken into several sections as well. Here are your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed costs, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then loan information. So the way this works is for the daily sales, what you'll do is you'll start with estimating how many customers you're going to work with. For example, if you're going to be working with 25 customers daily on average, you'll put 25 here. If the average customer ticket is about $55, whatever the price is per ticket, you'll put it here. And what is a variable cost? If you sell $55 worth of baked goods, how much is it going to cost you? And so for this example, I'm saying the variable cost will be 30% or $16.50. So once you make these changes right here, it'll update your revenues. This section right here is how many days you're going to be working in a week. If your bakery is going to be open 5 days, change it to 5. If it's going to be open 6 days, then change it to 6. The next section is the labor for the salary. How much money do you want to pay yourself? If you want to pay yourself $3,000, put it there. The next section is how many employees do you have? So if you have 3 employees, put 3. If it's 4 employees, put 4. If it's 0 employees, put 0. And then for the next section is the rate of pay. On average, how much are you going to pay your employees hourly? If it's $15, then put it there. If it's $20, then change it to put 20. And then finally, how many hours a week are they going to be working? If they're full-time, if it's 40 hours, it'd be 172. If it's part-time or 20 hours per week, you'll take that 172 divided by 2, and then you would change this to 86. So whatever the hours per month the employees are going to be working on average, you'll put that number there. The next section is going to be your startup costs. How much money are you going to be throwing at this venture? How much are you going to invest? It's going to be the first line, equity investment. And for this example right here, I'm saying that we're going to be investing $50,000. If it's $25,000, change it to $25,000. And then the loan amount. How much money are you going to be borrowing? If you're not going to borrow anything, put 0. If it's $150,000, put $150,000. $150,000. All right, next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to break out your costs. Now, for these numbers right here, these can all be updated. These 2 lines cannot be changed, nor can these 2 lines. So these are static. These titles have to stay there. However, these titles right here, you can change these titles if you want to better incorporate or align it with your needs. So these rest of these lines right here, this is where you're going to be breaking out your $200,000. So you're saying startup costs are going to be $200,000. So that's right here. So these right here should all equal up to $200,000 because this is how much you're investing and this is how you're spending the money. Next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. How much is going to be your rent, your utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising, and so on. Next section is going to be your tax rate. So how much you think you're going to be paying in taxes. If it's 20%, leave it there. If it's 15%, then change it to 15. If it's going to be 30%, change it to 30. Whatever you think your tax rate is going to be, you're going to update it there. Next section is going to be your growth rates. How much you expect your revenues to grow for the next 5 years. You'll make these changes right here. And then these are the annual costs. How do you want to change those? The next section is going to be your loan information. So whatever you put right here for the loan information, it'll automatically populate down here. Then you can just right here change your interest rate and then change your term, and your payment will automatically be calculated and also populated through your profit and loss statement as well as your income statement. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Once you're done updating all the information in the information tab, you'll then go to the income statement or the profit and loss statement, and you're going to want to update that into your Word document. And I do show you how to do that in the Word document portion tutorial. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you do purchase my bakery business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. The tutorial is, the Word document tutorial is separate. It also comes with the basic financial, model, and the basic financial model, the tutorial is what you just watched. There are some restrictions. If you, the bakery business plan template Word document is not compatible with Google Docs. It's also not compatible with Apple products. If you have Microsoft Office on a Mac, then you should be fine. But if you're trying to use Pages or whatever other spreadsheet that comes with the Mac, it's not going to be compatible. Also, if you have questions about the bakery business plan template and you want to have a discussion before you buy it, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. However, after you purchase the bakery business plan template, if you need some help, I do offer mentoring services, so I can go ahead and walk you through it. There is a price for that. I do charge for my time for the mentoring. Also, I can complete the business plan template for you. There's a price for that as well. Or you can go ahead and watch my tutorials. I've got several tutorials, general tutorials on how to use my business plan templates, and you just go to this link right here, and it's free. You can watch them now, you can watch them after you buy, and it'll give you some thoughts and ideas on how to complete the template. If you are interested in purchasing my bakery business plan template, all you do is just go to this website right here. If you do want custom business plan written by myself, if you need mentoring services by me, or you want strategic planning and consulting, I do offer all those services, and my prices are right here. Hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a good day. Thank you.